Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Limits at infinity can look scary, but we can solve this one fast. Watch how we handle this fraction to find the right answer quickly. To find the limit as x goes to infinity, we divide every term by the highest power of x in the denominator. Here, that means dividing the top and bottom by x. Since x is positive, we can pull it inside the square root as x squared. This simplifies the denominator to the square root of 2 plus 49 over x squared. Let's go. As x grows, fractions with x in the denominator vanish. We are left with 1 over the square root of 2. Option C is correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush, trust the given, and check your stuffs carefully.